has been absolutely frenetic. These boys are getting quicker and quicker and quicker, and I think this afternoon's show will be no exception. Before we introduce the riders to you, let's see what the world of flat track is all about in the hands of Jack Bell and a 700cc Yamaha. So you're going to do some laps on that. Let's get Jack out there. Where are you, mate? Are we going to be doing some laps on the Yamaha? After the parade, right, let's have the riders then, after the parade, okay. So let's see the riders, let's get the teams up. First of all, in numerical order, Chris Walker and John McGuinness. John McGuinness, number 3 on the Honda. Let's get the boys up there, here we go. John McGuinness, 23 times, Ironman TT winner. And Chris Walker, the stalker, already a race winner here this weekend, so he's going to get stuck in, I can tell you. Right then. What have we got now? Number 14, Lee Bob Jackson. Lee Jackson, British Superbike rider, Dow Honda for 2025 season. And riding the number 54, we've got Tim Neve. Tim Neve, flat track champion, also British super stock racer as well. So one of the 2 Neve brothers, identical twins. This man's no stranger to you, 6-0 on the bike, that's Peter Hickman, quickest man around the Isle of Man TT. He's got a straight stand here, you can see. And finally, from the world of TV, a double Superbike champion and a world Superbike champion, Neil Hodgson and James Whitham. Ladies and gentlemen, James Whitham over the ramp. Neil Hodgson not here yet, on his way, so we've got James Whitham doing a solo run. So I don't know where Hodgie is, I don't know what's happened. Walker gets the drop, hooks it into second gear, and he's down there now. In the lead is Chris Walker, the stalker. Lee Bob Jackson in second. Then it's Tim Neve. Jack Bell in third. Going up the inside into third. Jack Bell almost into the lead. Jack Bell it is. Slides from last to first. Tim Neve going through now. Tim Neve number 54 really getting his elbows out. Lee Jackson at the back is running way through. The Lee Bob, number 14. Walker the stalker, Chris Walker, moving into the lead. Tim Neve, number 2nd, Lee Bob Jackson, number 14, Jackson takes the lead, Jack Bell up the third, Walker the lead, double back. The awesome flag is being ready here. Tim Neve is right at the back with Jack Bell. Chris Walker then looking to go in the front on the inside of Neve. Through goes Tim Neve. This is action-packed on the last lap then. Checker flag waiting. Tim Neve on the inside. He's going to be Chris Walker and Walker gets it. Lee Jackson trying very, very hard. Absolutely fantastic stuff. He's having a go. He came from the back and he swept through, almost grabbed him.
To be fair, same as always. It's so easy to get sucked in when you're in the lead and you just go in a bit quick and you can't get the gas on and everybody sneaks up the inside the next one, but we're getting there. Bike's mega.
Well done, straight through Chris Walker.